Alright, welcome to this class. This is just one third term scheme of work. So today will be a very brief video lesson for today. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe. So very shortly, anyị ga-n'anya na uru izisa ozi bara. Ịma na mgbe gara aga emerụ the last class we talked about communication. Communication have several ways in which we can communicate: through computer, through newspaper, that is mgbasa ozi, newspaper, gun, and so many of them. Nzisa ozi, traditional means of communication and modern means of communication. So let's look at the benefits of communication, or the advantages of communication. Number one, ọ na-eme ka mmadụ na-amata ihe na-eme n'ụwa. So communication or broadcast or media makes us or allows us to know what is happening in our community or in the world. So they give us information about what is happening around us. Just imagine if there is no means of communication, or if there is no means of mass media, you will not know that COVID-19 has entered into Nigeria. So we're able to know that as a result of mass media, which is a means of communication. Number two, ọ na-egbochi mmefu ego. Ebe mmadụ gara eji ụkwụ gaa, jiri ụgbọala ma ọ bụ ụgbọelu gaa mata ihe na-emenụ, ọ ga-anọzi be ya mata ya. You see? So this number two is talking about for us to, it is cheap. It made it easy and cheap for us to get information. How? Because when you hear of something, sometimes you may be so eager to go and know. In fact, you may sometimes even decide to travel. So because of mass media or modern means of communication, instead of you to travel to know what is happening there, you can just make a call, or watch it through television, or read it through newspaper or blogs. Then you know what is happening without you wasting money to travel to the event or to the scene. Okay? Ebe ihe ahụ mere. So ọ ga-eme gị isevute ego, kama ya na-agbafusi ego moto na-eje ka ị mara ihe na-emenụ. Ome gị isevute ego. Just ihe ị nidere ime bụ just ime call. Imesie call, ịmara gị ife na-eme na obodo. Okay, the next one is the third one, which is nzisa ozi meziri ụwa ọ dịzịa ka otu obere obodo. This one is wonderful. It says that mass media or communication makes the world to look as if the world is a kind of small community or village. In fact, today the world is just like in your sitting room. When you have your phone, your smartphone with you, when you have your laptop with you, when you have your radio with you, the world is in your sitting room or in your bedroom. Because with that, you can get any form of or any type of information that you wish to get. Then the fourth one onye na-ezi ozi na-enweta nzaghachi ya ozugbo. You see, because of communication, when you send message, you receive it immediately. Just imagine when you send an SMS to somebody, the person will just receive the SMS immediately. When you call somebody, the person will just receive your call immediately. Both of you will discuss. Just imagine what is happening in the world. You are watching this class now through what? YouTube. That is communication. Instead of you to sit in the class and watch it, you are watching it through what? YouTube, and learning the same thing you are supposed to learn in the class. Okay, since you have the lockdown, since for the past 2 months or so, we have been learning online using Zoom. So the world is becoming so small, just like in your bedroom where you sleep. So it was becoming so globalized as much as that. So that is the means or benefit of what? Communication. And number 5, ọ na-akwalite azụmahịa. Yes, communication builds businesses. Communication builds businesses. In fact, so many business has gone online, just like Jumia. Jumia is a business. You can stay in your bedroom, even in your toilet, in your bathroom, you place an order, and within few days or few weeks, they will bring it down to your residence. That is the power of communication. Okay, the last one, which is ọ na-enye ohere iweta ọrụ. Yes, communication helps it's easier, you get job. It helps us to get job as easy as possible. It helps us to get the job. Just as you see me, I'm teaching you through this platform now. Somebody somewhere may watch the video and say, Kai, this guy is really good in education technology or in edutech, because what I'm using, what I'm applying here is what I learned through what? The course we studied. We call it education technology. So the person may say, okay, this guy is really doing good and doing well. May even call me and say, okay, let me take this contract and do this, and So it's easier through technology to get job. All right. This is where you can do this assignment. Depụta ụzọ 5 esi ezisa ozi ugbu a. Write down 5 ways of communication, these modern ways of communication. Number 2, depụta uru 5 dị na nzisa ozi. Write down 5 advantages or benefits of communication or mass media. So please subscribe to our channel. If you need any question, or if you want us to take your child in mathematics or English or any subject, or if you have younger one, little one that are about to write their common entrance, you can reach out to us. We can teach them either online or offline, or come to the house and teach them, or can teach them online using Zoom and Cisco WebEx as a platform. So get in contact with us on 081 33 57 7465 or 070 88 742 960. This program was brought to you by Uzie Academy HSA. It's an education agency. So thank you very much. Remember, our slogan in this channel is pursue knowledge.